Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to GPT video update. And the weekly is here. You can see the weekly. I've talked about the weekly pattern in my previous videos, and I've told you that this is a hanging man that I'm expecting for GPT, and so far the hanging man is pretty much confirmed. Okay, so this one is a negative candlestick to make the prices push to the downside. It's a reversal candlestick, so you got to pay close attention to that red candle that just formed up on the weekly, because it's too dangerous for you. And now for a reference, this is how the hanging man is. So you got the hanging man, and that's the one in the middle, and you can see that after an uptrend you get a very ugly downtrend that can happen. So it's one candle that is so powerful to tell you the future of the prices, the price action that is coming up. And if you want to learn more, I do have a pirate trader course for you, which is 18 hours of content, and you can learn so much. If you really want to be interested to be a trader, then I got the whole topic, the whole everything that you really need to learn in this one whole huge course for you. Message me on Twitter to get it. Now diving back into the charts, I was looking for maybe a potential target up here to 0.1, but unfortunately we had some bearish divergences of this one, and due to that bearish divergence we couldn't quite get to the technical target, and the bearish divergence is something that I told people on my private sector as well. So right now we potentially have a head and shoulders, so we're gonna go into the 1 hour time frame here, and you're making a little bit of that distribution where you have this left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder right there. So what you have is now to drag a trend line, and you're also breaking below this one. So we're looking for a drop down, and that could be from this top here to that bottom right there, and we're looking for a big drop all the way down to nearly 0.073385, and that's going to be a price change of nearly we're talking about an 11% drop to the downside. However, invalidation point is going to be on this right shoulder, so if you somehow pump back up and take that right shoulder, then this is not going to be in play anymore. And right now that's what I do see for GPT. Hope you enjoy this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.